Hello everyone. So today we have Siemens coffee machine. Okay, it's TK76K572. What's the problem with this coffee machine? This coffee machine, before, if you see previous video, when you press on, okay, it's showing Siemens and it's shut down. You press on again, it start again, shut down. I repaired the power supply. Where's the power supply? Here's the power supply. What I repair in this power supply, I repair this two capacitor, okay, and here one transistor switch. So the machine start work, but not complete procedure. Example, it's grinding. Also I changed the grinder. The motor was shorted. Okay, I changed the motor. I check all the pipe for leak or some damage. Everything okay. Here this connection, it was full of rust. Goes from stream, I think. I clean it, and in the end the machine worked, but not complete process. So grinding, heating the water, and shut down. So I get crazy. I start to check all the switches and sensor for the coffee machine. There is inside the motor, which one responsible to move the, where is it? No, it's here. This one, to move the pressure. Okay, to move this one and control this one, there is two switch inside the motor. This is the motor which one riding this pressure coffee. So what has happened, that why the coffee machine not continue or complete the process, because there is one switch from those damage. I will show you how to test it. Okay, here. Sorry for recording like this, I don't have the stand for mobile. Anyway, so this switch here, if you see red and the green, will go here. So the red, it's comment between the two switch. Okay, so I put the probe for the avometer in the red. Okay, and here on the green, and I will press on continue buzzer mode. So you see it's working. Here the red already here inside, and the white, there is nothing. This switch is damaged. This what it's caused the coffee machine, it's switch off, because there is overload on the motor, and this two switch, which one they control the motor to stop in the right position for filling up the coffee and throw the rest coffee which one already used out. So this switch is it's responsible about the last position for the pressure, and because the switch is not working, it's not sending signal to power supply, and the control management see that there is failure and overload on the motor, the amp. So the coffee machine, it's switch off in the end of the process. Thank you for watching. I wish it will be useful for someone. If you have any question, you can call comment or ask me down in the comment. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Ciao.